Now what I'll be doing here is I'll be going here and I will be maximizing this view. So I'll be hitting the key which is above my tab key on the keyboard, and then I'll be first analyzing this, and first we'll be making this, or rather we'll be masking this, and we'll be covering the area what we want to key out. So first just select this layer, and then you have to take your pen tool, which is this, and maximizing the screen. I will be now drawing my mask, which means the area which I want to key. So one thing which needs to be seen here very precisely, or which needs to be maintained, is that you have to cover the area which is there inside your mask, and you have to cover the main object which you want to. And there should not be any kind of just a minute, we just change this to Roto Bezier, which we did here. Yeah, so if you see here, we have to cover the area which is your main character here. So I guess there is some cutting over here, so we can just take this up something like this, and you have to make sure that none of the areas is being cropped or not being included in your mask, so as it might lose the information of the character or the subject which you want to key out. So you have to make sure that the area which you are masking is not all the areas of that character is being included in that, and nothing of the portion or any kind of pixels is being left out or not covered in your mask. So just let us play this and let us see if there is any area which is getting not included in our footage or the mask. So what I feel is, if I go ahead, some areas over here, if you see this area is getting cropped, so this will not work out. Also going over here, yeah, so let us go on the first frame over here, and what we'll do is we just selecting this and deleting this, and this something I'll do like this, so that my entire area is covered over here. Same goes for this. If I hover this, so this is going pretty close here. So on the first frame itself, I will be just taking this up something like this. Yeah, now let us play this and see how does it looks. The entire area is being covered, and earlier as it was, there are some areas of the hand was getting clipped out or cropped out. Some areas of the hand was getting clipped out or getting cropped, so it's no more there, as we have taken these pointers of our control points of the mask off. So we have this ready with us now, but again, as I feel that this area of my fan is visible, so just push this in something like this so that it's no more visible. Now let us play this. So you have to check this, keep on checking this in all aspects: top, bottom, left, right. Yeah, and this sounds or this looks pretty cool over here, as we have got the garbage mat over here. If I check this inverted, this is what the garbage mat looks like. I've just checked on inverted here, where this is my area which has been removed through my mask. But Now we will be moving towards keying this out. As you can see, it's a slightly complicated footage. As you can see, there are some hair here of the character which needs to be maintained or which needs to be perceived from this, and also there is some information of this cloth which is semi-transparent. So that's the reason I have chosen this footage where I'll be keying out this very minutely, as I also want to maintain 50% transparency on this cloth, as well as I want to preserve the hair information of this character. Otherwise, if I just do a simple key out, the entire green here would be removed along with these hair slogs over here. If you can see these areas will also be removed. So we will be keying that out in our next session, as we have already created this mat from this cutout. So we'll be moving to keying in our next session.